name is Nivedita Shukla Verma. I am presently working as Secretary to Govt of India in Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals. The department basically works for promotion of the industry and resolving their issues with the other ministries. My visit today to this park has been an amazing experience because this is one of its kind of a park that we saw, and I'm glad that we came. And it's a very, the entire park gives the feeling of being in a very state-of-the-art kind of facility. So it's not just one unit, but the entire space is built and designed and even maintained like that. The way it is managed and its functioning, it was really good to know. It could be used to design other such spaces for our department also, and I was very impressed with the enthusiasm that not only the management but the entire, each unit and managers, proprietors, whoever I met, the workers, they were working very cheerfully and very efficiently, I would say. That is the overall impression that I got. And the CEO of this park has come across as a very, he has full control over the management of this park, and his imprint is very visible everywhere. So I would say it is one of the best managed space that I have seen in a long time. And I can see that a lot of activities happening, and in future this is going to grow very fast in future. My best wishes for the quick growth of this park and this space, and it will be a space worth seeing, and it will be the government of Andhra Pradesh can showcase this space to the entire country and even to the world as a very well managed space. They have created a very nice thing here. Thank you.